You can check DITO Telecommunity coverage using a few different methods, depending on whether you want an official list or interactive maps showing actual user-tested signal strengths. Using the DITO mobile app, if you already have the DITO app installed. Open the DITO app. Tap on Network Coverage from the main menu. Search your location to see if mobile or home 5G service is available in your area.